When it comes to enhancing the safety and security of your home, one of the most effective investments you can make is installing a high-quality security door. Houston homeowners, in particular, benefit from this investment due to the city's vibrant, diverse neighborhoods and varying levels of crime. However, choosing a security door is just one part of the equation. The installation process is equally important to ensure that your door functions as intended, providing reliable protection for your family and property. Here's what you can expect during a professional door installation in Houston. Consultation and customization. The first step in the installation process is a consultation with a professional security door company. This meeting is crucial for ensuring that the door selected meets your security needs, aesthetic preferences, and the specifications of your home. A professional installer will ask questions about your property, the entryway, and your particular security concerns. Expect a detailed discussion about the types of security doors available, including steel, wrought iron, or aluminum options. You may also have choices in terms of locking mechanisms, such as deadbolts, keyless entry systems, or electronic locks. Some companies may offer customizable features like reinforced frames, decorative elements, or privacy glass. The door is then measured precisely to ensure a perfect fit. Since most homes, especially older ones, have unique measurements, the installation team might need to order a custom-sized door. This can take a few weeks, so be prepared for a waiting period after your initial consultation. Pre-installation assessment. Before the actual installation takes place, the professional installer will perform a thorough assessment of your door frame. This includes checking for any structural issues that may need attention before a new door can be properly fitted. For example, they will inspect the door frame for signs of damage, rot, or wear that could affect the door's installation and performance. In some cases, the door frame may need to be reinforced or repaired to ensure that the security door will be securely installed and function correctly. This assessment ensures that the final installation is smooth, and no unforeseen issues arise during the process. Professional installation process. On the day of installation, a team of professionals will arrive at your Houston home at the scheduled time. They'll arrive prepared with the necessary tools, equipment, and safety gear to handle the installation process efficiently and effectively. The installation of a security door is a delicate procedure that requires precision and care. The old door, if replacing an existing one, will be removed first. Depending on the complexity of the installation, this can take anywhere from an hour to a few hours. If the team needs to repair or reinforce the door frame, the timeline may extend, but this will be communicated clearly ahead of time. Once the door is properly positioned, the installer will ensure that the frame is securely anchored, the locking system is functional, and the door swings smoothly. Professional installation ensures that the door is not only aesthetically pleasing but also secure, providing you with peace of mind knowing that your entryway is reinforced against intruders. Post-installation testing and adjustment. After installation, the installer will perform thorough testing of the door and its components. They will check the locks, test the hinges, and ensure that the door closes and opens without resistance. If the door has additional features like a security screen or an electronic lock, these will also be tested to ensure full functionality. If any adjustments are needed, the installer will make sure they're addressed immediately. Since a security door is a significant investment in your home's safety, it's essential that it functions correctly from the very start. Clean-up and final walkthrough. Once everything is installed and tested, the installer will clean up the area, removing any debris from the installation process. They'll also conduct a final walkthrough with you to ensure that you're satisfied with the work and that you fully understand how the door operates. You may also receive maintenance tips to keep your door in top condition, such as lubricating hinges or checking locks periodically. Warranty and customer support. Many professional security door companies in Houston offer warranties on both the door and the installation. This warranty gives you extra peace of mind, knowing that any defects or issues that arise in the future will be addressed by the company. Make sure to ask about the warranty terms and register your door for future support. Conclusion. Installing a security door in Houston is a significant step toward protecting your home and family. A professional installation ensures that your door functions as designed, providing superior security, ease of use, and long-term durability. By choosing a reputable installer and understanding the process, you can confidently enhance the safety of your home and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a quality security door.